Take this at the first me and no going because soon I got suck her boomer. I tell her to run for the emperor next time. Now piggy blood clot girl, she rich like me. Anja what she work for. And she got suck her boomer man. Bamba.
What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link.
No, that's a blood clot girl out there. So turn the blood clot from in a USB shop there, piggy girl. Me come in and just square and say dirty girl. Give me something. Me can't get the US go gear. The girl come tell me about say he don't have the jacket. So me say my girl can't go test it. Oh, the machine passed it, but she put me over to a different cashier. So me just go for blood clot 60,000 US and $3 million Jamaican money. And she have to take this at the first me and no going to give because soon I got suck her boomer. I tell her to run for the emperor next time. Now piggy blood clot girl, she rich like me. Anja what she work for. And she got suck her boomer man. Bamba clot. Style me. Yeah man. Uncle, excuse me for 1 minute. Piggy. See that at this may use and see blood clot over 60,000 US a pussy hole. But you now use Canadian money. How are you? Believe $100 is coming at this blood clot. I suck your mama. See the US there. After me say a girl tell the Canadian them. Me say go test it, she go test it. Then she come around but she don't feel the jacket tonight. Hey girl, say 60,000 blood clot US there. I say the same US on the carry back there. And 3.8 million Jamaica. Go slap your mother, rap with me. You believe you can come mash the friendship with me and your son? I hear me spend money your son. The blood clot you. See it here? So, and if you now use it, I'm going to sue you for discrimination. See it here? But test it back again. And then but she send me go around to different cashier. So when I go around to a different cashier now, you know what got me now? The other cashier will style me. Because the because since Piggy now take it, that means there's something must fake with it. You understand? Man, you know blood clot coming to tell Piggy, you don't run for me when I sue you. And the first me get mad at this. Go you. Me don't want you help me a Piggy more with blood clot job. So go this me out. How are you? You see me look at Nger, you see me look at my poor, you see me look at my thief or scabber. Nger, same thing there. I should put glad on the Nger, scabber. Nger, what you gonna do? You gonna send some police to kill her or lock her up. But the emperor just come style her back. The only difference, see, they go check the money again, pussy hole. Bamba clot. Like you come style the emperor, millions of dollars in money. How are you? Remember, you know, the girl go around and test the money, you know, and come back and say the money real. But she don't want to use it because a jacket, she don't feel something in it. The blood clot. I told you to eat that thing my order. See that way, chap. I have millions more than that. How are you? 60,000 US pussy hole. I'm about the same one. Bamba clot. You're lucky some me feels a friend. I sue you. Discrimination. Can't come around with me. Say the US dollar, I can't come here. Me don't want you call that. I can't come hard about the thing with the same money when I here. And don't tell me take it easy, man. I love you, you're elder. Tell she to take it easy and apologize to me. So I get me change now, but suck your mother Piggy. Blood clot, pussy hole. My daddy, what I do the first day, me well me. You understand? You understand? I don't run for my Piggy. Bamba clot. You understand? Me carry the US come here and say, baby, she said she not take the US. So I come and say, yo, she said, Canadian dollar. She said she not take no Canadian dollar. So me say, wait, I want this a style in this, $100 she work with. I want to her. So we make sure I got $60,000 US and $3.8 million in blood clot paper. What is your man? Can you know how much money we have? How much that we have? It's here, man. How are you? Bamba clot. Don't run for my girl. How are you? Oh, tell her to suck her mother. More of my things up now. Bamba clot. Don't try to style the emperor. Millions of dollars in that thing. How are you, man? I want your family. Come here. You alone. Me say a different me just cry. Come here. Go allow that post one. Come here, daddy. 5, 10, 15.
7. And then I already forget.
Just one of 10 grand. Go buy something with it. And you alone a different money come here. There are some people post one. No, never a different money.
What a change.
Bamba clot.
This is millions.
I don't tell them more. How are you? Millions of dollars. Soccer mover. Millions of dollars. Andrew want to scared to buy my shoes. How are you? Yeah, what receipt there? After me give her the money, you know, she got test the money and come on back. But oh, I cannot accept this because it don't feel like you know what jacket tonight. Some say jacket, some say you have a testimony, yeah. Some say it's a Canadian dollar, yeah. We don't take Canadian. And then she tell me something go to another. And then somebody, cashier. Some say girl, me a style. Me just blood killer go up in the hills and just draw for them look up broke pocket safe them and take out this water. How do I man? Millions of dollars what you check me. Bambakla. This me she will love this and we don't feel something that sue her for discrimination. You know me? Yeah. Yeah. Ugly man, and the ugly man this a defend me now. So just come back and give a 10 pack. Yeah man. Yeah man, how are they? Millions of dollars. Why you tell us no, I'm going to my blood club bank account. I don't think my bank account I'm going now. Chef ramp with me. Yeah man.
Who you make carry this thing?
But I just put them in there, sir. You understand?
The sheet rock can hold in there.
Yeah man, everything can hold in there man. $1 million in a fund. So I just got 60,000 US. She come style me. Because you know then when she style me, you all want to defend the thing now.
Make it look like a smart.
Make sure you got the thing smart. That's why I just come get a 10 pack and tell a soccer man about them piggy. Me go around here. Yeah people, I not disrespect me and I show off. I show me I got. Bambakla. Millions of dollars in money. I want the poor people me feed every day. And the boy can't stop me from feed poor people neither. You understand? Yeah man. That's something there. I go and shop boss. I could get over there say try style me thing you spoil enough. After I do some more, I order 2 sheets apply. She said come to me say 14 or 13 or 10,000 Jamaican dollar. So I say alright. I'm also Canadian and I have a $1 US. Some girl the $100 US. She take it from me. Then me say she look point up and down. Then she go around at the back. Then she come round back. Me say she test it with the light and things. So I say, baby, what happened? Oh, she don't like how it feels. So I say, you test it to the light. She say, yeah. You understand? So I say, you test it to the marker.
Oh, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, here we are going now. For the real level. And this is what I want to say. Emperor, LIF3, Zane, 7-star general. Big up yourself. Yeah, me I big you up, you know. Big up yourself. Can you know one thing we can tell about LIF3, my people? Him know how to stay relevant, you know. You understand? He always find himself in some situation or put himself in some situation with the media for just in-name call. You understand? So, a marketing genius. Yeah, man, you know how to make a name call. But I want him to say, LIF3, they're not trouble, you know. I ain't a serious problem, brother. You understand? We are talking about serious thing. Me understand? I say, you are the emperor, you are the chief, you are the maroon, you are Oberman, you are all type of sin thing, brother. You know how to guard up people, you know how to protect people. And one thing we can say, LIF3, I hope you have some real protection for yourself, brother. See? Because this is Jamaica, people. We are coming on to Christmas now. See? And when LIF3 go in a place like this and I roll out, say I have 3 million cash I walk with, plus over 60,000 US, my people. Which, what you expect for me? Which when I look upon you see one heap of $1,000 for a long time. Them long time days something there. We don't know how LIF3 got to work, my people. You understand? And what LIF3 more have to say, no. Put some of their money that to a machine, my people. I come forward and show $100. You see like come here I go through with them and show $100 bill. You see it look? You see it look? Real thing. Nothing fake. We just slap run through machine. See? But what me ask my people, see? A long time you see LIF3 walk with them type of money, you know. But LIF3, you have to be careful. This is Jamaica we are dealing with. And we have a lot of hungry dog out there. Well, a lot of people like me will say, yo, their money are fake. But you see when the hungry dog them see you, them are wait right around us of your LIF3. I mean, I send nobody to you, but this is reality when the people face. And that's why we need vloggers, because we have to see things like this and we have to talk. Because remember, you want to win at LIF3. You understand? You are vlogger, we are vlogger, you want to win. So all we can do is give advice, or all we can do is give advice to LIF3. We understand, so you might go there And them style her, cause if a girl style her, so she not do this and because of certain reasons she not the right to style her. But still, respect same way, brother. You're a big man. You don't need to send nobody up on them mother like that. You get what me I say? You don't need to, brother. I send nobody if you go suck out then this and that, brother. You know what I mean? It don't make no sense. You know the day, as a big man, you don't go make you look bad like a little boy. Which, and I really, we know you're a vibes man, we know you're a comedian, you're a joker, but this ain't no comedic thing. This is a serious thing, brother. The way how you carry on and a portrait yourself there, so. And the next thing when I say LIF3, and I go back to what I said before, you have to be careful in the street, brother. A Jamaica this, and I say it already, we have all a hungry dog out the LA. Hungry. And when you do something like this in the midst of them eye, and them see you, and you know what them are got thinking of them head? The boy LA have money, you know. He might walk with a bag of money, you know. The boy cashy, you know. You understand, a millions the boy walk with in LA. Remember, you know, not if your virgin, you know, not if your brother, your best friend, you can't trust nowadays, you know. You can't trust the body. So just imagine some man who know you carry and know around the corner, that's where you go. You understand? LIF3 you have to know how to roll. I mean, understand you say you protect yourself and people need to guard up and this and that. But for me, there's no protection like the Almighty, brother. You understand? There's none like him. So no matter how much woman can tell me or then can guard me and protect me, once I'm me fully covered and protected by the Almighty, I think I need them, you know. You get what I say? But you have to be careful, brother. Careful, LA. Now, I don't want nothing to you, know. You understand? But right now, brother, for me, boy, I have to say you're in a danger, brother. You have to set up your own self. You're in a danger. This is a serious thing. So some people will talk about NEWLINK, a tight club, thing that way there. NEWLINK, what you mean? Yeah, like that. But this is reality. This is reality. You understand? And people need to have sense and wise up. And me don't talk to people. You understand? So when me take it for joke fun, yeah, me laugh through it and cause there's some, of course, me a human and I talk something and me have to laugh. But at the end of the day, me I go into the serious part. And then a joke thing, a serious thing. But big up on yourself, stay safe, and people in the street, when I take care of the bloggers them. You get what me answer them, go down and give them good service. Give LA, give the empire, cause I'm the emperor, give him good service. You understand? Especially when I see with the red sitting on top of my head, you know, see the chief emperor come through. Give him good service. Give the maroon boss, the maroon chief. Give him good service. Peace out, my people. Remember to do. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. One team, one dream, one scheme, one O. Attacking boss. Peace out. Blessings.